Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hidden Galaxy. Today we're going to solve the top layer of Rubik's Cube. In our previous video, we learned how to solve the second layer. Let's get started. For the top layer, we have to form a yellow cross like this. So all the edge cubes have to be yellow. It doesn't matter what these cube colors are. If you don't have any yellow in the edge cubes, do these moves. Remember this move as clockwise and anti-clockwise move. Since we don't have any yellow in the edge cubes, hold it in any way and do these moves. With the yellow center on the top, I'm going to hold the cube like this. First we do the clockwise move. Now we do the right base move. Up, push, and down. Additionally, we will push from the left side. And now do the anti-clockwise move. Now when you see up, you can see we have formed the yellow edge cubes like this. You may also get this when you finished your second layer. So this is our next moves. This is how you hold it. Make this look like a mirror image of the yellow. Now we're going to use this portion to do the same moves. First do it clockwise. Now do the right base move. Only look for the edge cubes for these formation. Once you do the formation like this, hold the cube like this, and do the clockwise and anti-clockwise moves here. First turn it clockwise, do the right base move, which is up, push, and down. Now do a left push. And do the anti-clockwise move. This forms the yellow cross. Once you are done, look at the other side of the edge cubes. Match this with the center color. When I matched this, the orange got matched as well. The green did not. And the red also did not match. I'm going to tell you a scenario that only one color matched, but the other colors did not match. If you see, the green and blue doesn't match. And the blue and orange don't match. And the orange and green don't match. Only the red and red match. In that case, hold the other side. And now do the moves called the up push. I use the term up push so I don't get confused. Let me tell you what up push is. Up push, down push. Up double push, down push. Now check for the matching colors. Now this orange matched, green is not matched, red is matched, and blue is not matched. If the opposite colors are matched, take any side and do the same moves. Up push, down push, up double push, down push. Now try matching the center. The orange is matching, the red's not matching, green is not matching, and the blue is matching. Now the two next to ones are matching. If you end up with this scenario, hold one matching cube at the back and one at the right. So my matching blue is at the back and my orange is at the right. In this portion, I'm going to do my up push moves. Up push, down push, up double push, down push. Now look at the matching centers. The green is matched, the red is matched, the blue is matched, and the orange is matched. With this, we have formed the yellow cross in the right position. Now let's look at the corner cubes. This corner cube has three colors: orange, yellow, and green. Let's now look at the center cube colors. We have orange, blue, and yellow. These three colors don't match with the three colors in the cube. Let's look at the next cube. The three colors in this cube are yellow, red, and green. And the center cube colors are orange, green, and yellow. Again, this doesn't match too. Let's move on to the next corner cube. In this corner cube, the colors are yellow, orange, and blue. And the center cubes are green, red, and yellow. This doesn't match again. And the last cube, this cube matches perfectly with the center cubes. I've been unlucky to get this one already, but you might end up in getting none of them formed. If you have none of them formed, do the following. Just hold any cube in front of you and do the move called push-ups. Previously we saw up-push move. This move is called push-up. In the up-push move, we only use our right hand. In the push-up move, the left hand will do whatever the right hand does. With this cube in the corner, which is not a matched one, I'm going to do the push-up move. This is what you do. Push, up. Do it the same with your left hand. Push, up. Now with your right hand, do a push down. Push, down. Same with the left hand. Push, down. Now look at the corner cubes for any matching three colors. This one has yellow, blue, and orange. That doesn't match. Let's move on. This one has red, yellow, and blue. This one doesn't match. Let's move on. This one has green, red, and yellow. This one doesn't match, so let's move on. This also doesn't match. This is because in the previous step I showed you what happens when none of the corner cubes match. So let's do the same step again. I'm going to take this corner cube and do the push-ups. Push, up. With your left hand, do the same thing. Push, up. With right hand, push, down, and same with your left hand. Push, down. Now look for the corner cubes. This doesn't match. This has orange, green, and yellow, which matches with this. Because our center cube is green, yellow, and same orange. Let's move on to the next cube. The next cube has these three colors, which doesn't match with the three center cubes. Let's move on to the next. Here again, it doesn't match. We don't have a green anywhere. Now go to the matched cube. This is the matched cube. All three colors matching. With this cube in the front, let's do the push-ups. Push, up. With your right hand, push, up. With your left hand. Now, push down with your right hand and push down with your left hand. Now look at the corner cubes. These three colors match and it's perfectly set. These three colors match but the cube is twisted. These three colors match but the cube is twisted. And this all perfectly matches. And all the three colors in the corner cube match with the center cube. In all the corners, we're done with this move. Now it's time to bring these yellows up. These two all they formed for me. You might end up with everything twisted like this too. Take the twisted piece in the right hand side. Remember the color where it belongs. It is at the right of my orange center. In order to bring this yellow to the top, we have to repeat some moves. Hold it like this. In order to place this yellow on the top, these are the moves. Down, right with your pinky. Again with your right hand, push it up, and with your left pinky, push it right. Do this again. First push down and bottom layer push with your right hand. Now push up and push the bottom layer with your left hand. Do this multiple times until you see the yellow at the top. Now the yellow is up. This is also not formed yet, so I'm going to bring this to this position. The yellow is at this side. Let's do the same moves. Down, left with your right pinky, up, and this with your left pinky. The yellow is not yet on the top, so do it again. Down, pinky, up, left pinky. Now the yellow is at the top. You know what to do next. Ta-da! Everything's done! Bye friends, thank you for watching. We finally finished our Rubik's Cube. If you like my channel, please subscribe and like. Bye!